Okay, in this training video, I'm going to cover the process of creating a campaign within AdWords. Okay, so you click on this campaign button right here, click on online video, and this is just in the, as you log into AdWords, okay, so this is your main dashboard. We're not in video yet. Click on online video, let that load. Okay, and then you can name your campaign. So let's name it video drill test. It's video. It's just my new account that I'm using for the purpose of these training videos. You can set your budget. This is in my local currency, but you can set it to whatever you want, whether it be $5, $10 a day, $20 a day, $50 a day, whatever you want. And then you get to these different networks. Okay, the delivery method. See here, so delivery method is, this is going to be like showing your ads throughout the day according to your budget, so it'll be spread out evenly. And then you get accelerated, which, as it says, is going to show your ads as quickly as it can according to your budget. Okay, and then we've got networks. So YouTube search is the in-display ads, and the YouTube videos are the in-stream ads. Okay, and then we've got videos on Google partner sites, apps, and the display network. So this is going to be displayed on other websites that allow video ads. Okay, and then we have locations. So you can choose all countries, or your country that you have set up your AdWords account in, or any other country you want. Okay, and it's got advanced search for some more advanced location targeting. All right, and then languages. And then we come to the actual video ad. So now what you want to do is get your YouTube URL that you want to advertise. Okay, so I'm going to grab that very quickly. Okay, so I'm going to paste in my video URL. This is the teaser video for Video Drill, the demo video. And as you can see, a whole bunch of different options come up below it. Okay, so you can choose your video ad type. So for this one, it's by default, it's going to be to drive views. Okay, and then you have, if you have a mobile app installed, then you can select that as well. But for most of my videos, it's going to be driving views. Okay, and then just below that is the in-stream ad, which is right here. It's previewed over here. Okay, so that's the thumbnail set for the video. You can set a custom thumbnail for every video you want that you upload. And then we've got our display URL and the final URL. So if I was advertising Video Drill on my branded website, which is selfmademindset.com/video drill, then that's automatically going to be pulled as Self-Made Mindset, which is the home page of this website. Okay, and let me see if I can find an in-stream ad to show you guys how it'll actually be displayed. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so the same example from the previous one of the previous training videos. Okay, so it's a TEDx talk, and there's an in-stream ad displayed before it. Okay, these ones you can skip 5 seconds in, and this is how your display URL is going to be displayed. And if you click it, it's going to take you through to the landing page. Okay, so I just wanted to show that very quickly, the difference between the final URL. This is the page it's going to lead to, and this is the display URL that's going to be displayed right here. Okay, then we've got the advanced options for tracking. I won't go too much into that. And then you can use the auto-generated image for the banners, or you can upload your own too. Okay, and then we've got the in-display ad, which is, let me find it again. It is right here, the YouTube search. Okay, if you have that selected, this is where you'll customize this. So you've got your different thumbnails that are auto pulled from YouTube. But what you can do also is you can go ahead and you can set a custom thumbnail. Okay, so I've pulled up the same video right here, and in this video settings, there's a custom thumbnail button where you can upload a custom thumbnail. And a good idea here is to actually get a custom thumbnail specifically designed with a call to action over it. So maybe like watch here now, or some sort of call to action to increase the click-through rate. Alright, and that would appear within one of these thumbnail options, and everything's displayed over here, the preview. So you've got your headline, so let's do something more compelling. Okay, it's a bit too long. Find out how it works. Click here to watch the demo. Okay, so as you can see, I've included a call to action, something that's going to pique their curiosity. You guys know how to write headlines and all that. Okay, and then you can choose where the user is going to land when they click on your ad. Okay, and just before that, you can preview this ad for all your different display options. Okay, and then you can choose, as I was explaining, whether they land on your channel or the actual video on YouTube. Okay, and then we can name our ad. So video drill ad 1. You can choose your device you want to show it on. Okay, there's a whole bunch of different stuff you can select. I'm not going to go into it because it's pretty self-explanatory. You can just choose if you want to customize that. Your mobile bid adjustment, if you want to, if your ad specifically for mobile, perhaps you can use this. And then we have advanced settings. So your scheduling, same as Facebook ads, you can schedule a start date, an end date, custom schedule. Okay, also pretty straightforward. And then ad delivery. Okay, so you can optimize for views, you can optimize for conversions, and conversions you can set up under the tools drop down. Okay, and what that's going to do is YouTube will pretty much display the display and the in-stream ads together and optimized for whichever one is converting better and show that one more than the other. So it's kind of like with Facebook ads when you upload, let's say 6 images for an ad, and they test that for you and show the best one the most. Okay, and then rotate evenly. Okay, but for now I'm just going to keep it on optimize for views, and then you can cap the impressions for each unique user, and that's based on whatever you select here. Okay, also pretty straightforward. If you don't want to show your ad to the same person more than X amount of times, because if they don't act on the 8th time they've been shown, you may not want to show it to them anymore for the rest of the week or the rest of the month or the rest of the day, because then you're just going to you're going to be annoying them. Okay, and then the content exclusions, where you don't want to show your ad. You've got a whole bunch of different options here. Let's say your YouTube video is embedded on a website and you don't want it to be shown there, you can exclude that. Okay, and then you just click on save and continue. Okay, and then we're brought to the targeting page, which I cover in a completely different video, but I'll just go through it really quickly. So you've got your name. Okay, so you'll name that a custom name, and then you've got your bidding structure. Okay, so you can read through this and it's pretty well explained, but let's say, okay, so they're giving me a suggested or typical bid for my cost per view. So let's say 0.75. okay? And it's going to go and it's going to estimate, right? How many views I'm going to get for this one I've just estimated. I mean, I've just put in as my max, and it's going to give you your average here too, so it's pretty helpful. And then you can click here and you can customize per display. Usually this is, you would bid higher on the in display and lower on here. So let's say 5.50 and 4. See, that is 4. Okay, and this is an auction format bidding structure. Okay, so if I bid 5, this is in my currency, so 5 Rand 50, if I bid that and a competitor is bidding at 10 Rand, which will pretty much be double mine, AdWords is going to look at the two bidding structures for everyone that's advertising on that video. Let's say I enter a video here, that's the one I want to target, or however many, whatever video the ad's going to pop up on, they're going to look at whoever has the best bid. So even though they have a 10 Rand bidding structure, or sorry, a 10 Rand cost per view setup, if it's only me and them advertising on that ad, they're going to charge them 5 Rand and 51 cents, for example. So this is your max cost per view. It's not necessarily what you're actually going to be charged. Okay, it's just your maximum. Alright, so just so you understand that. And then I covered targeting, the whole targeting structure in a different video in quite a lot of detail, so you can go and watch that if you haven't already. Okay, and then you're taken to this page if your channel isn't linked yet, which, okay, so this one, because I've chosen a video that wasn't on the channel I set up just to show you guys how this all works, which was the Video Drill channel, it's asked me to link this channel. But basically, if your channel's linked, you'll be taken to the ad dashboard where you can see your ad and edit that ad. So once an ad is set up, you can go and you can edit your targeting, you can edit your placement, you can edit where the location it's shown in, you can edit pretty much everything, just like Facebook ads. Once it's set up, you've got a whole reporting dashboard you can go and play around in and edit all that stuff. Okay guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks very much for watching this training video on how to set up an ad in AdWords. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.